Hi.
Hey, just want to let you know that we loved your video.
Yes.
Um,
Some of the words were a little off, but you were great.
yeah, it was good besides that.
I think it's supposed to be booty 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 rockin' everywhere, and
Miss New Booty.
Miss Moo Booty, New Booty instead of Magoo. But I like your version of it actually.
Yeah,
I think
I like
every
it.
time I hear it, I'm gonna sing it like that.
I think it's probably more like kid friendly.
Yeah.
What? No, seriously.
It
I
really
thought you were
is.
laughing. I mean, I was
No.
like, what the heck?
No, I'm not laughing.
I was
at
just
you.
like, okay.
No, it's great.
Now you're laughing at me. So why are you laughing at me? Okay.
You're like laughing at me. No, but
Right.
it is more kid friendly, you know. I can see
Yeah.
my little cousin and go, Miss New Magoo.
Magoo.
I'm gonna sing it like that.
Exactly. And good thing that like he was around here when that song was playing instead
Yeah.
of the real one,
He
because you know
actually-
like the
yeah.
other one is kind of explicit.
Yeah, that's a good word. I like your vocabulary.
Thank you. I build it up with the dictionary.
That's good.
Dictionary.com.
You're so random. But my little cousin was actually walking
Yeah,
past.
he
and
was
goes,
here.
Who is that singing on the tutor? Wait, what is it?
On the
Pooter?
on the pooter.
On the pooter. And we're like,
He meant like computer because he's
Yeah.
little, so.
yeah. And we're like, it's a lady. And he's like, I love her singing. And we're like, we do too.
So we were like, yeah.
Okay, and what's Stickum? Stickam. I don't know what Stickam
I
is.
have one.
What is it?
It's just like a video chat thingy.
Oh, well, that's fun. It's kind of like Blog
Oh,
TV
yeah.
then.
I don't even know what that is, but
Oh,
yeah,
wait, I have
totally.
one. I'm Cookie Monster. Free.
It's taking forever, dog. But anyways, we don't want to make this too long. But yeah,
okay,
we liked your
love
version.
you.
and yeah, make
Rock
some new
on.
ones. I favorited that video, by the way, and I'll subscribe to you.
Of course. And you know what I loved about that part? When you started dancing with your little hand thing, that was my favorite part.
Yeah,
I really liked
same.
that. Because I would never be able to do that. Like,
I know, same.
so in sync. It was great.
I just thought of the funniest thing.
What?
Do you remember before when the lights are off and all that happened? It just that was so funny because
So funny,
everybody was
yeah.
looking for us and okay, we'll let you go now.
Goodbye.
Bye.